Alright, welcome back generals to another Let's Fix General 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Now, last session we have fixed 2 memory leaks. Let me open pull requests for these guys. I wonder if it's really necessary to add a comment here. Well, the binary shower particle. Yeah, I guess it's good info that this code hits with with the binary shower particles. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder what the consequence beyond that is when this pool is exhausted. Like, what else would happen? Also, I wonder why is this release refs not part of? Right. We don't have to delete this object to free its states. Yeah, I see. Flush. I don't think we need to add a comment here. Or do we? I don't think so. Let's remove this comment. I think it's not necessary. Okay, open folder. Okay, delete state. Okay, then this here we can revert. This as well. And here, iterate objects in range. Iterate objects in range. 883. This one, right? Approach. Okay. Good. Let me go to main branch. Fix memory leak, fix binary shower memory leak. What did it say? Fix sorting renderer class, sorting renderer class memory leak. Okay, it's this one. Gen ZH fix memory leak in here. Okay, and then we open another one. Fix special ability updates memory leak. Okay. Fix memory leak in that. Push. Okay, so that will be this change fixes a memory leak in sorting. Fixes a memory leak in it can be triggered by using hackers. Can be triggered by using hackers by spawning the binary shower particle effects with the hacker. Binary shower particle effects with the hacker. Fixes. So this is bug. Major. Memory. Here I've labeled it as critical, but is it really a critical issue? Because it typically doesn't cause runtime issues, right? Because this is very rarely used. Yeah, I would say it's major. Is it critical? I'm not sure. It's at least major. At least major. Is it a critical issue? I'm not sure. Probably not. Let's put it at major. Milestone, stability fixes. This fixes a major memory leak, and that can be triggered by spawning the binary shard particle effects with the hacker. Okay. So there's that, and then the next one is, oh, hold on. Oh, we pushed both already. Okay. I was confused then. Okay. So this one is also related to this, but it's not as big of a deal. By the way, in here we can also put the logs here we have. Call stack, and memory log. What's this one here, right? Yeah, memory log. Also put this here as a header. Memory lock. There we go. Good. And then next one is this also relates to 181, and this change fixes a minor memory leak in it is reproducible by using hackers, using the China hacker to disable buildings. And using the China hacker to disable buildings. So there we don't have a call stack, but we have a log here. So there's this CPP, not CPP, Let me take this here. Dots. Okay, this is memory. This is a minor leak bug. Milestone stability. Okay. Good. Then there was something else I wanted to look at. I can't remember. Good. Let's see. This one says testing report procedure use 6-person map, 2 human players, 4 AI players, medium difficulty. Vanilla X results first test. No mismatch, no mismatch, no mismatch. Okay, cool. Then compatibility, it needs to be set true. Looks good. So then this is also a bug fix then. Bug. Don't think we need to put the generals in 0 hour. Initialize supply truck variable. Okay. Well. Zero hours alt. What? Add 0 hours alt mouse modes left click deselect functionality. What? Backport correctly. Let's see. Prevent left click deselect in alternative mouse mode for one click. What does it do? Add 0 hours alt mouse modes left click deselect functionality. Can someone explain this in a human readable way? Add 0 hours alt mouse modes left click deselect function. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means. I don't know what that means, and I know 0 hour, but I have no idea what this is supposed to say. Left click deselection in alternate mouse mode for one. What the hell is this function name? Jesus Christ. Prevent left click deselection in alternate mouse mode for one click. What? Okay, I need to test this. I have no idea what that means. Let me enable generals. Disable debug. Disable 0 hour. Configure. Actually, let me change branch to main. Configure. Generate. Thanks. Merge that. Good. So let's build generals there. I have no idea what that issue is here. Deselect all. It doesn't look like it would cause mismatch because it's probably local. Yeah. Well, what is this here? Get out of GUI command mode if we completed the command. Added support. Main menu, shell map, and loading screen videos. Main menu, shell map, loading screen videos won't load if the game runs on Linux using Proton. I would say this is a Proton issue if Wine works. Wine is enough as Proton uses Wine. In the end, it would be raised as an issue on the other projects. Okay, I will close this as not planned. I wouldn't even know how to debug this. I'm not using Linux. No, I mean it doesn't look like. I don't think it's our responsibility to fix bugs for random emulators that try to run Windows on other operating system, right? It sounds like those emulators need to fix themselves to be able to run this code, right? If it runs on Windows, then the job for Windows is done, right? If it doesn't run on an emulator, then that's the emulator problem and not a problem with our application, right? Yeah, that's the way I see it. So just closing it. Okay, let me launch generals. Huh? Oh. Okay, so skirmish. Yo, let's just run a map here. Let's see. Let's put a FPS limit. Okay, so what is the problem? Prevent left click deselection. Okay, so alternative mouse mode. Okay, so we need to click that. Okay, what does that do? I wonder how does one do scrolling? Okay, but I don't see a deselect happening when I click with the left mouse. So what is the problem? I'm not using this branch, by the way. Left click behavior, not right drag. Added support to cancel the GUI command without deselecting the units involved. When you right click to cancel the GUI command without deselecting the units involved. I don't understand what that means. I've never played the game like this. It's atrocious. I don't know what the issue is. Let me compare it with 0 hour then. Let's build 0 hour as well. Let's enable multi-instance, general 0 hour. Here you go, configure. Oh, I didn't mean to start. I wanted to compile instead. Copy link. I've investigated this issue using the following code. Well, it's not an issue. I called the method 1,000,000 times for both the third and last message in a list, expecting a performance difference. No need to fix. No, don't change yet. This is not meant to be changed yet. We only fix stability things. We focus on stability things. No, we don't do any changes yet for performance or so on, only stability. No perform. I don't want to see any performance refactors because it's only ripe to introduce new things. We first need to nail stability. That's a primary focus. No refactors, no changes that are not necessary towards either platform architecture, compiler fixes, unifying codes, or stability. No minor things, no performance. Performance is important, but we should do performance after stability. Yeah, and after first release. I think first release, we just do stability. Yeah, stability and features for like to replicate some of the Gen 2 features to make it not a downgrade. Yeah. Okay, let's run 0 hour. Oh, that's a wrong executable. Let's try that again. Okay. I started the wrong one again. Jesus Christ. Nope. By the way, I think that this is the wrong executable, isn't it? Not sure. Okay, so I'm going to pick some map here. Okay. So let's select the alternate mouse. Accept. Huh? What happened? What? What happened? What is this? What? Okay. That sucks. That sucks. I don't know why why the game is minimized now. Okay. Okay, so alternate mouse setup. Double click guard. What is that? Player units will move and then guard their destination area when action button is double clicked. Okay, so alternate mouse setup is selected now, but we can still we can scroll. So in general, we cannot scroll in this mode, but in 0 hour we can. Okay, well, that's a big difference. That really is a big difference. Okay, wow. Interesting. So I assume that that is the thing, right? Let me double check this. We take this guy, Kalev. What the hell is that name? Why is his name Shiz? Remotes. So manage, add new remote URL, Shiz Kalev. Oof. Probably should change it to this format. Okay, Shiz Kalev and control backport. Control backport, okay. Let me take this change. What is this built on? Jesus Christ. Let me rebase that on main, if that works. Seems to work. Yeah. Okay, let me test this. So we exit this. And then we do compile. Yes, we need to fake that. And we need to fake that in both generals and 0 hour. Okay, let's launch generals. So now we have that change in there. Let's see what happens. Good. Let's see. I cannot scroll. Okay, I have no idea what this... Okay, let me ask in that. Can someone please explain what this changes? I do not understand the title. I also don't understand what this code is supposed to say. I don't know what prevent left click deselection alternate mouse mode for one click. I don't know what that means. I do not understand the title, and I also do not understand that. I have no clue. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know. Good. Then what's the time? Yeah, I would take a break now. And next session we will look into this SN printf thingy that I wanted to look at. Yeah, let's do that next session. Mm-hmm. 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 Then we enable all these guys again. Mm-hmm. 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 Good. Then yeah, I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.